there. Right in there. Yep.
Nick, you okay? Okay, let's get up out of the snow. It's cold.
Let's go. One more time. Okay, look at your face. Great. Okay, come on. Later we will get you all again next later this afternoon after you took a nap. All right. Ready? Get good. Go!